Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to set any song as a custom ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your device. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the Sound and Vibration option, then tap on it. This section allows you to adjust various sound settings on your phone, including volume levels, notification sounds, and of course, ringtones. Step 3. Next, locate the ringtone option and tap on it. This will open a list of all the default ringtones available on your device. Step 4. Now, locate the plus symbol on the right side of the screen and tap on it. This will open your file manager, displaying all the audio files stored on your device. Here, you can browse through your music library and choose the song you want to use as your ringtone. Step 5. For the final and most important step, select the song you want to set as your ringtone. Once you have chosen your desired song, tap the Done option. Your custom ringtone will now be set, and the next time you receive a call, your chosen song will play as the ringtone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.